Wednesday, last day of class. And we met twice a week, but we had a Monday, we didn't have class, and then we had a snow day. 30 days. We covered a lot. So we reviewed some questions from the chapter 1 through 9 exam, and then I talked to them about doing course feedback and evaluations. Did each of those. Then they took this exam, and then they worked on their skills work. So need for the skills work, there was the chapter 1 through 9, and that was a skills assessment, and that was version 2. So they didn't actually take a computer apart and put together. They just answered a bunch of questions about hardware and some basic things that we did in chapters 1 through 9. And then chapters 10 through 14, that skills work was all that primarily Windows 10 specifics. Alright, and so it's a wrap on the course. Thanks for participating.